New Gemini 3.7 Flash is scary good. Today, I'm going to show you how Google's brand new AI model can change the way you do SEO forever. It's new, it's fast, it's easy to use, and it just landed 3 weeks after the last one. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it. This is Gemini 3.7 Flash, and it's scary good. So let's talk SEO, because if you run a website, a blog, or a business online, this update matters to you. Google just released Gemini 3.7 Flash. And the crazy part, Gemini 3.6 Flash only came out 3 weeks ago. 3 weeks, that's how fast AI is moving right now. Google says this jump in smarts didn't come from a bigger model. It came from better code and feedback from real developers. So they took the same base model and made it a lot smarter without starting from scratch. That's a big deal for SEO, because it means the tools we use to write content, build pages, and automate our work are about to get a lot better, a lot faster than anyone expected. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below. Let's get into the numbers. I'm not going to make anything up here. These are the real test scores Google shared. On a coding test called Deep SWE, the old model scored 49%, the new model scores 65%. On another test called Frontier Code, it went from 34% to 43%. On a test called Automation Bench, which checks how well the AI finishes a full task on its own, it jumped from 17% to 30%. That's almost double. Think about what that means. This model isn't just answering questions better, it's finishing whole jobs on its own. For SEO, that's things like writing a full content brief, building an internal linking plan, or even fixing broken pages without you sitting there holding its hand the whole time. There's also a benchmark called GDP.PDF, which tests how well the model reads and understands long documents. That score went from 22% up to 34%. Now stop and think about why that matters for SEO. A lot of SEO work is buried in long, boring documents, site audits, Google Search Console reports, competitor research, client briefs. If a model gets better at reading and pulling out the right details from long documents, that means less time for you digging through spreadsheets and more time actually fixing the problems you find. On the coding side, Google says the model is better at debugging and fixing issues, and it's more likely to write code that actually works the first time. For SEO, this matters more than people realize. A lot of technical SEO work is really just small coding tasks, writing a script to find broken links, building a redirect map after a site migration, cleaning up duplicate title tags across thousands of pages. These are exactly the kind of jobs where a model that debugs itself and gets things right the first time saves you real hours. You're not just getting a chatbot that talks about SEO, you're getting a tool that can actually go build the fix. Quick pause, because I want to say this now while it's fresh. AI tools like this one can speed up your content and your technical work, but speed doesn't matter if your site isn't set up to rank in the first place. That's where SEO comes in. If you want more leads, more traffic, and more customers finding your site, my team can help you rank higher on Google. Head to the link in the description and book a free SEO strategy session. We'll take a look at your site, show you what's holding you back, and map out a plan to fix it. All right, let's get back into it. Now here's where it gets really useful for SEO. Gemini 3.7 Flash is a lot better at web development. Google says it builds more complete, more functional web pages, and it needs fewer prompts to get there. Its score on a coding leaderboard called Web Dev Arena went from 1538 to 1588. Real people voted on which pages looked and worked better, and this new model won more often. So what does that mean for you? Say you run something like the AI Profit Boardroom, a community that teaches people how to use AI automation to grow their business. You could ask Gemini 3.7 Flash to design a landing page for that community. You could say something like this: build a landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom. Show how AI automation saves people time. Explain the benefits of joining the community. Make it simple, clean, and easy to read on a phone. Add a button so people can join. That's it. That's the whole prompt. And because the model plans, builds, and checks its own work now, you get a working page a lot faster than before. Let's talk about agents next, because this is the part that really changes SEO work. Google says the model now plans multi-step tasks better. It uses tools better. It adapts when something goes wrong. It asks for help when it's confused, and it follows instructions more closely. That means less babysitting from you. Picture this: you want to build an SEO content plan for a whole month. Instead of asking one question at a time, you give it one big job, something like this: research the top ranking pages for AI automation content. Find the gaps competitors are missing. Build me a 30-day content calendar with titles, keywords, and a short brief for each post. The model plans it, checks its own steps, and hands you a finished calendar. That's the shift. Old AI gave you an answer. This one tries to finish the job. Here's another way you could use it. Say you want to grow something like the AI Profit Boardroom community through outreach and link building. You could give it a job like this. Find websites in the AI and automation space that write about tools like this one. Draft a short personal outreach email to each site asking if they'd be open to a link exchange or a guest post. Keep every email under 5 sentences. Because the model plans ahead and adapts when it hits a roadblock, instead of just giving up or asking you what to do next, it keeps working through the task and hands you something closer to a finished result. That's a big shift from typing one prompt, waiting, then typing the next one. And stick around because in a second I'm going to show you exactly where you can plug this model in and start using it today. And here's something worth knowing. This same model is now running inside something called Gemini Spark. That's Google's personal AI agent for Google AI Pro and Ultra subscribers. Google says Spark can now handle things like organizing your files, drafting emails, and updating your documents, working in the background even when you're not there. If you're running an SEO agency or a content team, that's the kind of tool that can quietly keep your workflow moving while you focus on strategy. Okay, let's keep going. Where can you actually use Gemini 3.7 Flash? Google made it pretty easy to find. It's in the Gemini API for developers. It's in Google AI Studio. It's in a tool called Google Anti-Gravity, which is built for coding agents. It's in Android Studio. It's inside Gemini Spark for Pro and Ultra subscribers, and businesses can get it through Google's Enterprise Agent platform. So whether you're a solo blogger or running a full SEO team, there's a way to plug this in. Now, I want to be honest with you because I'm not here to hype this up more than it deserves. This is not the smartest AI model in the world. Google isn't even claiming that. They're calling it their most intelligent workhorse model, which just means it's built to be fast, useful, and practical for everyday tasks, not to win every single test out there. It still loses to some other models on certain benchmarks. It can still get things wrong. And like every AI model, you still need to check its work, especially before you publish anything live on your site. Don't just copy and paste what it gives you straight to Google. Always review it first. This matters even more for SEO specifically. Google has been clear for years that they want to reward content that's genuinely helpful and written with real experience behind it. So if you're using Gemini 3.7 Flash or any AI tool to speed up your content or your technical fixes, that's smart, but the finished page still needs your eyes on it. Check the facts, check the tone, make sure it actually sounds like you or like your brand. Speed is great, but speed with no quality control is how you end up with a site full of thin, generic pages that Google quietly stops ranking. Now, if you're completely new to SEO and you want to build a solid foundation alongside using AI tools like this one, how content strategy works, how to approach link building, what a good keyword actually looks like, we've got a free SEO course in the description with over 260 lessons. It covers everything you need to get started. Go check that out too. The link is below. If you want to actually learn how to use tools like this to grow your business with AI automation, that's exactly what we cover inside the AI Profit Boardroom. It's a community built around real practical ways to use AI for things like content, SEO, and automation without the fluff. And before you go, here's that reminder one more time. If your content isn't ranking, all the AI in the world won't fix that traffic problem for you. That's what SEO is for. Book a free SEO strategy session using the link in the description, and let's find out what's holding your site back. Drop a comment below and let me know. Are you going to try Gemini 3.7 Flash for your SEO work? Julian reads every single comment, so tell him what you think. I'll see you in the next one.